Of course, वो तो आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है. But thank you so much for calling, Sharvi. But I would like to say, stay tuned because I'm going to give out their numbers and their Facebook page which you can get, you can contact them on. So if you want to make any donations to them, or if any of your friends want to make any donations to them, you can contact them that way. Okay?
Alright.
Thank you so much for calling. Okay, bye. So that was Sharvi. And आप लोग please repeat कर अपने numbers and
0333211480 03422005903. Sadan Sheikh is my name.
yeah, and Amir. So, okay, and Facebook page का नाम है
Help Us Pakistan.
And I would really appreciate it अगर आप लोग please इनको contact करें, make some donations. They're not doing it for themselves, you know, they're doing it for all the people.
You know, I'm sorry. When we stood at Teen Talwar, there were a lot of volunteers who would, just go knock the window and they would say, just donate, and people would say, nahi chahiye. And I personally, I stopped them. I said, ki yaar, aise nahi karo, just go to them, explain them what you're doing. I went there, I said, listen, it was a lady, I said, auntie, we're doing this for Pakistan and we are personally going. And she said, beta, I've already given it. I said, even if you give me 5 rupees, 1 rupee, anything, that will matter a lot. That's what we told everyone, and people honestly, like 1 rupee हम लोग जब बोलते थे तो आगे 00 automatically लगता था. But that was like, that kept us going, that we said, 1 rupee से भी बहुत
people are giving. People are
very generous.
They're trying to help us first.
The thing is कि I've seen that, people are kind of distracted at the moment. They need a guideline, they need a pathway, they need a leader who can tell them that, yaar, this is wrong, this is right, and I'm sure they will understand. Like, हम लोग जब कल वापस आ रहे थे, we just came last night, so we were passing through Zainab Market, and I said, yaar, Amir, देखो, people, लोगों की क्या यार, हिस मर गई है, like, इतना कुछ हो गया पाकिस्तान के साथ, मैंने बोला एक और दोस्त है मेरा, बोलता है कि यार नहीं, ये तो ऐसे तो नहीं होना चाहिए यार, लोग तो करेंगे, ईद है, ईद की शॉपिंग करेंगे. हाल तक यार देखो, हम लोगों ने नहीं बनाया, मैंने नहीं बनाया अपनी शलवार के लिए. Even my mom was telling me, but I was like, mama, के like 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees से फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन it's that unity you show to the world that कि यार, no matter what, we're united and we are there to celebrate Eid because so that's I said, मेरा दोस्त ने बोला कि नहीं समझेगी. मैंने बोला कि I'm sure if I park my car right now, I tell people कि यार ये हो चुका है, and please, just to show unity, don't make new clothes. I'm sure people won't do it. They just need a person who could, speak up, talk to them, like, gather the masses together, tell them that, we're united, that, like, united we stand, divided we fall. It's just like...
That's actually very true. I would totally agree with Sarah and Amir on this. People will not realize the intensity of the situation जब तक उनको कोई realize नहीं कराएगा. I mean, there are people like Sarah and Amir, and then there are other people जो NGOs के लिए काम करते हैं. So that way, I would really suggest कि इतनी बड़ी donations ना बनाएं, but instead just make small donations and just make it every month, because fine, even if they go once, उन्होंने एक दफा का खाना खिला दिया, then what? Then we're gonna go there. I just really think that everyone needs to make that constant effort कि people who are trying to be there, who are personally going in there and helping those people out, वो बार जाएं,
And we need to be very optimistic at this point that people, I usually hear people saying, yeah, government कुछ नहीं कर रही. So we just can't, stick to that point saying the government...
We can't blame the government for everything. They are trying.
This is a very, very big disaster. It's like, it's on record that it's a greater disaster than tsunami, earthquakes, everything. So, like, people need to constantly, donate and, keep hitting that door. Just keep donating, 1 rupee, 10 rupee, anything.
We need doctors as well for all this.
Yeah, that's very true, because आप लोग जहाँ पे जाते हैं, वहाँ पे diseases नहीं है.
To give food to this woman who she didn't have a tent.
Okay.
She had her family there, and एक बच्चा, he was lying upside down, and I don't know, he was shivering.
Okay.
He was shivering, and we asked her, okay, what's wrong with him? And she was like, he's very sick, and मुझे पता नहीं इसको क्या हो गया. So we were like कि ना डॉक्टर के पास ले जाओ ये वो. She's like कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है मैं उसको डॉक्टर के पास ले जाऊँ. हमने उसको पैसे दिए उस वक्त. लेते वक्त हमने तब भी ये सोचा कि ये शायद किसी और चीज़ में इस्तेमाल ना कर दे. If we had doctors with us, हम लोग डॉक्टर्स की हेल्प लेके हम लोग उनको सही करवा सकते हैं. We had medicines, but all those medicines went to waste because.
Have you guys thought of approaching probably an organization or an NGO जहाँ से आप लोग को और help मिल सकती हो? I think you guys, I mean, it's just an idea that just popped in my head right now. It's really, obviously, it's a big thing that आप लोग दोस्त मिलके कर रहे हो, but for more support and for help like this, just like doctors हो या और कोई चीजें हो that you guys might need, उसके लिए probably you guys should approach an NGO, you know?
I think when we went for this trip, we were very ill-planned and we learned a lot from this trip. Like the next one, we had no experience because the packets which we made were very short and they were like for 1 week, एक हफ्ते के लिए थे. फिर हमारे पास कुछ थे जो महीने के लिए बने थे. तो महीने वाले जो थे वो ज़्यादा प्रेफरेबल है. तो मतलब हम लोगों ने बहुत कुछ लर्न किया what we need from there. तो अब हम लोग जब next time अभी ठट्टा के लिए जा रहे हैं तो I'm sure we'll be probably planned.
Because like the other people that I had with me, like there was Awais and Zahab. I don't know if you guys know them, but they're also like I said, you know, friends together. उनका भी एक family pack है with the same thing that you guys have. और उन्होंने एक certain amount रखी है which lasts a family of 10 people 10 days. And after 10 days they go again and they just put the packs again. So when you guys could do something like that, I'm sure obviously it's your first
You won't
time.
believe this, but their families over there with around 50 to 60 people in one family.
That's a big family.
That's right.
Because our friend manager, he had around 72 people in his family and we donated him around 20 bags of 1 month.
That's a huge family.
Yeah, that's because we have people in villages and they have like 12 kids.
Yeah, that's like.
So of course फिर वहाँ पे आपका थोड़ा you know balance out हो जाता है. But I would still say कि it was obviously a big step for you guys to just go in there without any experience, कुछ पता ना हो कि आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, what people need over there and all that. Obviously it's a big step to take. Now that you guys have gained a little experience, I think to get more support, probably you guys should approach an organization.
Yeah, that's very nice idea because we had a lot of troubles with the medicine part, doctor's part, so we can outsource that.
Exactly.
We take care of the food and everything like that. And
because इसमें ना doctors को फायदा हो रहा है ना इनको फायदा हो रहा है. It's just you're just doing it because you want to help people out. So might as well go to an organization who can help you out with helping those people out. You know, if you guys want to get through to them, call them on their numbers, which are
0333-211-4830 Amir Musa.
03422005903 Sadanshi.
And if you want to contact them through Facebook, in the Facebook page by the name of Help Us Pakistan. I think, is there anything else that you guys would like to tell the people?
I would just tell everyone, like, we went there and we came back, we thought about it. Like, the help we provided, comparatively, it's nothing. Like,
They need us.
They need us. Like, if you look at the statistics, it's like 1/5 of Pakistan is underwater, and that is the size of Great Britain, Switzerland, Australia, or any other country like that. So if you really think about it, if you put your thoughts to it, it's we're under a huge disaster. Because this is right now, it's just a survival stage. After this, it will be the rehabilitation. That will be more effective because अभी घर टूट गए सबके, उसके अलावा फसल नहीं उगेगी हमारी, वो पूरी drought में हमारा 2 साल जाएंगे. मतलब it's a huge thing. We need to think about it.
Huge loss, and it's especially interior sin where everything comes from.
And Pakistan being an agricultural state, हम लोग को all of us need to stick together. Work hard. Like I would encourage all the other friends and everyone out there. Like we're doing it. Join us or create your own society of like join hands with other NGOs or anything. Just contribute to Pakistan because the people need us. And I honestly tell everyone that I won't let Pakistan die like this.
We won't, yeah. We would keep working until we can.
Actually, one last thing I would like to ask you guys is how do you guys collect your donations?
Like parents help us a lot. Like our major motivation and first donations were from
Okay.
So
and besides that आपको शिबनीज पे जाते हैं. So आप लोग के दो main जो sources and relations के
उसके अलावा we got a lot of stuff from companies and
Yeah, many companies. Like we knew friends who own like Nestle and I don't know some franchises over here, and they would help us to make.
yeah, they would a lot of we got donation of like 1200 water bottles
from this friend over here.
so
that's even smarter. आप लोग ऐसी companies के पास जाएं, probably like water companies जो कि बहुत essential है इस वक्त, who can help you with giving you clean water.
yeah, I know. Even what I told people that even if you can't give money or something like that, like collect water bottles and
Give them to us.
They just need clean water. It's not necessary give mineral water or something like that.
Exactly. So just give them clean water, and please, I would really, I beg of you guys to contact them and donate something to them. They're doing a really good thing. It's for a very good cause also. And like I said, इनको से कुछ भी मिलेगा, and they've experienced it. They've seen वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, and they came here to share it with you guys. They came here to let you guys know कि वहाँ पे actually scene बहुत bad है. So it would be really nice for you guys to help them out. Please check their Facebook page out by the name of Help with Pakistan. And one last time, put the numbers up over there.
0333-211-4830. My name is Amir Khosa.
034-2200-5903. Saadhan Sheikh.
And with that, we're going to say our goodbye. And thanks so much for watching. Please help everyone. I'm trying my best. They're trying their best. And I would say you help them as well. With that, we're going to say our goodbye to you guys. Bye.